Hey guys, welcome to Cryptolina channel, and today I will show you again what is happening on the Bitcoin chart price right now. If you want to know what trades I will open, then watch this video till the end, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and my Telegram group. So let's get started. So right now Bitcoin is reaching exactly our second goal, which I told you about in the previous video. Right now my open loan position on BYBIT is in huge profit, and congratulations to everyone who, like me, took this loan and earned with me. If you want to know what will happen next with Bitcoin, what positions I will open, and whether I will close this loan or hold it, so be sure to watch this video till the end, because in this video I will show you a huge number of metrics and tell you what is happening right now on the price of the Bitcoin chart. So let's get started. So we are on the 4-hour time frame. I have already talked about this Fibonacci grid since this fall, and approximately from these values we started to open this loan, which we have now taken. So the first goal has already been worked out, 5%, and the second goal in the region of 6% is $17,565. Well, probably take it too. We almost reach it, and here we have formed a kind of wick. Here it is. So this has practically reached our second goal, which we want to pick up. So why are we growing? In addition to just technique and the fact that this movement should have formed anyway, in addition to the fall, we had to make this growth. So draw a jump to this fall to make it clear that we are really in large market where there are some rules and laws. Although, of course, there are no specific rules, but nevertheless. So first, the news that is now coming out. We have news that inflation is expected to decrease in the USA, and there will be meetings again, there will be reports again on Thursday, so it will be tomorrow, and there are expectations that there is information that inflation will slow down. It will be lower, and already by inertia the market has got used in the last year that on such an expectation we always have growth after the release of the news, even if it's positive. So, but at the same time, I still expect that after the news about inflation, most likely they will really be about a slowdown in inflation. It will move up to the level of $17,565. It's even possible that we will see a certain upward squeeze, break it to the level of $18,000, and I expect such a move. So what exactly will be the next move right now, I will tell you. And I remind you again that if you want to trade, also take your profit on the crypto. You can trade with me on the signals that I give you in my videos. If you want to open the same trade as I did, you should definitely register on BYBIT using my link in the description or in the first pinned comment. I will remind you once again that you can claim your $30,000 bonuses on BYBIT. All you have to do is make a registration and make your first deposit, and after that you can get your bonuses. If BYBIT is not available in your country or you don't want to use it, you have a good alternative, it's BitGet. You can get up to $4,163 bonuses on BitGet, and all you have to do is make a registration and make your first deposit, and after that you can get your bonuses. We move on to the next chart. What can be expected? On the daily chart, we are in our wedge. Right now, as I told you yesterday, we will be approaching the top of our wedge, and we are doing it right now. And now we have to go out on the volume. When the news comes out on Thursday, most likely we will see this volume. We will break this wedge, and perhaps we will even reach this trend line, which was formed on November 20th. I can totally expect that this is approximately $18,000, $19,000, and maybe we will even break out it, do a retest, and enter the $18,000 zone. But there are huge number limits here, huge liquidity that will definitely not allow us to go up. At least it won't happen that fast. So the policy that is now being broadcast from the Fed says that we will not see any acceleration of the economy, and we are on the verge of a recession according to the Fed, so the economy is slowing down. Although now they are talking about lowering inflation, nevertheless the economy is slowing down, and so far no one is going to turn on the printing press and create money out of nowhere and pour it into the market, so we will not see such rallies as fast and powerful as it used to be. So the nearest that we will able to see is rather such drains by 20-30%, but we are unlikely to see a rally in the near future. Therefore, traders expect that we will break this trend line in this range and see a retest of the zone of 18,300, 500 or $600. If we suddenly go there, we can open short positions from the 18,800, $19,100 zone and put our stop losses around here beyond the liquidity zone. And you can also try to open a short position from $18,600, $18,500. Use this zone as a set of short positions, but again, don't forget about the risks where you will put the stop loss, and also remember about the technique. Technically, a short would look good from here, given some of the data that I will show you next, but everything can change. So we jump straight to the 1 hour time frame. In the last video I already told you about the bullish formation, which could also be traded, and we also look at what happened. Practically we come to the goal. In practice this bullish flag worked for us, so you could take about 2%, and right now if you took this trade, this bullish flag, if you traded it right now, put your stop loss at break even and you have a free trade. So the potential target of the entire breakdown, the symmetrical yellow triangle about which we have been already told, is $18,153. This coincides with the daily time frame and with the following time frames that I will tell you about. And we are waiting for the completion of our goal. And yes, perhaps we will not reach it. This can also happen, but technically it should happen. At a minimum, we should see the next 2% of the bull flag at the top until 17,500, 600. We will most likely see it for sure. And this is not a financial recommendation, but all the less who took a long position, again, congratulations, you have earned your profit. So let's move on to the weekly time frame. Yesterday I showed you RSI who made its way here and most likely will draw something like such movements. And in any case, we will retest again on top of this line. And here we also did the RSI test. It turned out to be a fake out. It happened right here. And we came to this global big trend line. We touched it, did a retest, made our way through RSI, but failed it. You see what happened from this trend line. Right now we are back to super hard levels that need to be break out really hard. There is a huge amount of liquidity here and we are approaching a trend line which is always formed for a reason, and we approach a large trend line. After that we will look at what will happen, and most likely we will approach the trend line and make a retest this trend line from above. So on the weekly chart we have well kept the support zone which we have marked, and now we are moving into the trader zone from $17,800, $19,000. There are strong zones from which you can try to short. So what else tells us that growth may end? The fact that there are a large number of limit orders and liquidations. Here is approximately the $17,500, $17,800 zone, and it's not marked in the picture, but there are a large number of liquidations for $19,000. We can easily go up to 90. And while we are observing what will be from $17,500, I expect that $17,500, $600 will be tomorrow, and just in time for the release of news about inflation. So if the expectations are positive and the actual value is positive, I mean it will be less than the forecast, then we will see 17,600, 17,700, and after that shorts are possible. So we are waiting for news about inflation. What do you think about this? Write your opinion in the comments. So I hope you like this video and my update. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and my Telegram group, and also don't forget to put comments with your opinion. Thank you for watching. Bye.